Okay, this video is about multi-booting guide number 34, how to Tetratriaconta Boot Fedora 28 Xfce desktop environment with Windows 10 in UEFI. Fedora, there is no way to record the installation with simple screen recorder or OBS. I tried to install the OBS or the simple screen recorder, but there is no way to do it, so you have to use a camcorder to record the installation. So in this video I will show how to multi-boot each flavor. In this video I'm going to show how to multi-boot Fedora Xfce, and I will also have other videos showing how to multi-boot with each desktop environment from Fedora, each Fedora flavor. So the video is going to be about the Fedora Xfce.
Alongside Windows 10 and 32 GNOME/Linux distro. It's called Tritriaconta Boot. So you just have to do is double click on the icon here on the left. Okay, this video is about my multi-booting guide number 34, how to install Fedora 28 Xfce alongside Windows 10 and 32 GNOME/Linux distro. It's called Tritriaconta Boot. So you just have to do is double click on the icon here on the left. Double click. Okay, select your language here. Click continue on the bottom here. The blue. The time zone is correct, the keyboard layout is already all set, the time and date is all set, the network, the host name, I'm going to use a different host name. Click on the system here. So what you're gonna do here, you have to select custom, and then you click done on the top. That's the way I install here. That's the easiest way you can use. That's the easiest way to install Fedora, to multi-boot Fedora. So what you're going to do here, you click here to create them automatically. That's the I'm gonna create my own partition, but I have to delete. Only gonna keep the boot/EFI here. I cannot delete this partition, but I will delete the swap partition because I already have one. /boot I don't use. This one here I don't gonna use that one either. And /home I'm not gonna use. So I just want to use one partition with the mount point, but each one already has the SDA37, so I have to change everything. So I'm gonna delete the /home here. Now I'm going to delete the system, the slash here. So I'm going to click on the remove. I'm going to pause the video. The whole installation takes up to an hour. Now I'm going to delete the /boot. Now I'm going to delete the swap partition. I already have one, so I don't need two. To delete the partition take like around 3 to 4 minutes. And then I just have to keep the /boot/EFI. Then I have to create one. I'm going to create one 10 gigabyte partition with the ext4 file system with the mount point, and that's it. And then after that I have to create the username, the user, and the root partition. So the only thing that looks like it's hard on Anaconda installer is you don't have the option to get to the EFI. I didn't see the option here to get to the EFI partition, like on the installation of. Okay, now I'm going to do here. I'm going to click on the plus sign here. I'm going to create. I'm going to create a partition here. The 10 gigabyte. And mount point. Somehow you add 10 gigabyte and shows up 9. So I have to change it to 10. And I'm going to label the partition Fedora Xfce, so I know which one it is. And then I have to click here on the update settings here on the right, on the bottom here where the mouse is. Click update settings. If I want to, and also I want to select standard partition. If I want to encrypt, I just click here encrypt, but I don't want to encrypt. It has the mount point, 10 gigabyte, ext4, the label Fedora Xfce. So now I click update settings, and now what I have to do now, as you can see on the right here, the partition is going to be SDA37, and it's going to on the SDA1 /boot/EFI. So everything is right. Just have to do now is click down the top here. can see, I just have to do now, click accept changes. Now I have to create, I'm going to click begin installation, begin installation. Now I have to create the username. Times down here, so I know the short password. The root password. Click down here 2 times. Okay. Now the installation now is going to take around 45 minutes to be completed, and I'm going to finish the video here, but I will stop the video here now, but I will finish this video right inside of the installation of Fedora 28 Xfce desktop environment. I'll play this video inside, and I will have a better image there. So that's it for now.
Okay, I will have a lot of videos about Fedora. I will show how to install software, how to customize each desktop environment, and I will use the media player that comes with the software that comes, the audio player that comes with the distro. My next video is going to be multi-booted number 35, how to Pentatriaconta Boot Fedora 28 LXQt with Windows 10 24. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.